always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is so hot today. It's 35 degrees outside. I'm flustered. However, as I did promise a while ago, I was going to make a deviation or a variation of a creme brulee. Today's recipe is going to be a keto custard. Now, a custard that you can use for your Christmas puddings or your Christmas cake. You can add brandy to it, but my particular recipe is very simple. It's no alcohol, it's alcohol free, and it's only going to consist of almond, unsweetened milk, cream, heavy whipping cream, 6 yolks only, some vanilla and some organic sweetener. So if you're interested to see how I make this sort of keto Christmas custard, then please keep watching. Okay, to my bowl of 6 egg yolks, I'm going to use half a cup of unsweetened almond milk and half a cup of thickened whipping cream, which I'm going to add. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of the vanilla, and of course I'm going to add the organic 100% natural sweetener, GM free, and it only has erythritol organic stevia, and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons. 1, 2. We'll whisk this by hand. Now you can use a 1/4 cup of unsweetened butter, but I'm actually going to use the premium liquid coconut oil, and you need about a 1/4 cup of that. I'm going to wing it just like so, and again give it another mix. Now I've placed the bowl over a saucepan of simmering water, and I've got to whisk the mixture consistently and vigorously until thickened. As you can see now, the custard has really thickened, and I can now take it off the heat. It's off the heat now. You can see it's nice and creamy, and all I'm going to do now is pour the custard into the ramekins. And now I'm just pour it into the ramekins. Halfway to the top. Now I'm going to let these cool, and then I'm going to dress them with some raspberries and strawberries. So now I'm just going to slice up some strawberries to place on the top, just roughly, and I've got some raspberries as well. Okay, I'm just going to put them on the top like this. Just going to drop on the top, just about 2 or 3. The custard is now set. As you can see, I'm going to do a taste test. You couldn't tell the difference. It's a beautiful custard. You can eat it on its own with some fruit, drizzle it over some Christmas cake or Christmas pudding, and if you want to put some brandy in it, you can as well, but I like to keep my desserts alcohol free. So on that note, everybody, if you enjoyed watching this very simple keto custard, then please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you click that notification bell. I've got to go. It's very hot outside and I want to get out of the kitchen, so I'll check you in my next video. Bye for now.